In this video, you will learn how to find the factorial of a number easily using Python. Here you can see the code output. For a given input number, the factorial of the number is displayed. Also, for negative numbers, the factorial is not defined. For 0 input, factorial is 1. Let's see the code. Well, the factorial of a number is the product of all the integers from 1 to that number. For example, the factorial of 6 is 720. Let's get into the code. First, take input number from the user, as shown here. Take the initial value of factorial equal to 1. Check if the input number is negative, positive, or 0. Factorial is not defined for negative numbers. And the factorial of 0 is 1. For a positive number, factorial is calculated using the for loop, as shown here. Let's see how the for loop works. Suppose input number is 3. Then, we want to find the factorial of 3. Here, the initial value of factorial equals 1. And the for loop ranges from 1 to 4. Then, the possible values of I are 1, 2 and 3. In the first iteration, I equals 1. Then, factorial equals factorial times I equals 1 times 1. New value of factorial equals 1. In the next iteration, I equals 2. Then, factorial equals 1 times 2. New value of factorial equals 2. In the last iteration, I equals 3. Then, factorial equals 2 times 3. Factorial equals 6. For loop ends here. Now, we got the final value of factorial as 6. The program will print the factorial value using print statement. See the output of the code here.